So we are here at the Bluetooth 6 Auracast experience. On display here is a product from Listen Technology, which also embeds software from Packetcraft enabling Auracast technology. Bluetooth LE audio host and or controller and or LC3 codec are included in these products. Ampetronic, which is used in the auditorium experience, they are taking source content from a presenter and piping it through their infrastructure to the audience.
Go ahead and select the Auracast auditorium.
So what I can hear is this gentleman speaking in English, but if I were bilingual, I could also select this experience in Chinese, which is also being broadcast here. And now I can hear him speak Chinese. It's actually him being translated.
You can clearly see there's no distinct sync from the audio and from the. Do you feel any latency from this demonstration with the microphone?
No, you did a fantastic job on this.
It's very powerful because people, when they think about Bluetooth, they think about, oh, I got to pair with my Bluetooth speaker at home.
Yeah.
That's just pairing, I have to find something. And this is just seamless going from one broadcast to another broadcast.
Packetcraft is very excited that these products are using Packetcraft technology, and we thank our partners for selecting us.